Hello, welcome back to another English class. Today we will continue analyzing the vocabulary from the healthcare unit in the filling out a medical form part. Yesterday we went over some of these words such as allergies, asthma, cancer, diabetes, headache, health problem, heartburn, heart, kidney, liver, often, once a week, birth, broken arm, disease, hospital, insurance company, medical insurance, and signature. I ask you to repeat and practice your vocabulary yesterday. Hopefully you did. Now we are going to do a little bit of spelling and some activities with this vocabulary. We will also cover a little bit about the verb to have. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's redo this one. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to listen to the word and then we are going to try to write it down. We're going to put spell it, okay? So the first word is cancer.
Has anyone in your family ever had cancer?
Cancer spells C-A-N-C-E-R. Cancer. Very good. Next one.
Insurance. I have good medical insurance.
I have good medical insurance. I have insurance. I have insurance. Insurance. How do you spell insurance? I-N-S-U-R-A-N-C-E. Insurance. Next one.
Heartburn. I sometimes get heartburn.
Heartburn. How do you spell heartburn? What's heartburn? Heartburn is sometimes you get heartburn when you eat something. It's a reaction to something you probably eat. Okay. Heartburn. H-E-A-R-T-B-U-R-N. Heartburn. Next one.
Hospital.
Hospital.
He went to the hospital because he had a broken arm.
Hospital. He went to the hospital because he had a broken arm. Hospital. How do you spell hospital? H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital.
Health. The doctor asked me about my health problems.
Health. H-E-A-L-T-H. Health. H-E-A-L-T-H.
Asthma. She had asthma when she was a child.
Asthma. She had asthma when she was a child. Asthma. A-S-T-H-M-A. Asthma. Let's check for accuracy. All right, we got him right. So now with this that we have practiced a little bit of vocabulary, we are going to do some activities that come along with this, okay? So obviously first we are going to match up with the pictures and you tell me what this is, okay? So right here you have a broken arm or asthma. Which one would you pick? Broken arm, correct. I said broken arm. It's broken, okay? From the verb to break. Broken with broken. Broken arm. What about this? Is this a birth or a heart? Yes, it's a heart. Number 3, what's happening to this person? What's wrong with him? He has diabetes or Does he have a headache? Headache. Correct. It's a headache. What is happening here? What is this person doing? Sometimes you have to do it when you fill out medical forms or any sort of forms. Is this a liver? No, it's not a liver. It's a signature. Signature. Let's go to the next one. What do you see in picture number 5? Is this a kidney? It doesn't look like a kidney, does it? A hospital. It is a hospital. Number 6. This girl is having some problems. It seems like she is sneezing. Sorry, I should not sneeze that way. That's the way you sneeze, correct? Or into a napkin. Allergies are insurance company. I believe she has allergies. Allergies can be seasonal or can be caused by other allergens. What is going on here with this poor man? It looks like he might have medical insurance. I don't think that's it, but hopefully he does have medical insurance. But the correct answer is heartburn. Remember, heartburn is a reaction for something that you probably ate in the esophagus. Heartburn. Heartburn. Let's check all our answers. Yes, they are correct. Okay, so now let's talk about a little bit about the verb to have. Okay, the verb to have, it's important for us to be familiar with it because we are going to be using it a lot. It's used a lot in any language. Okay, to express things that you possess. For example, here in this sentence, sentences, you have different variations of the verb to have. Okay, so it's asking you to find a student who has allergies, or find someone in your family. Can you name someone in your family that has allergies? Find a student who often has headaches. This is something that we will be doing in the classroom, but since we are virtually learning, you can find it in your house or information through your family. Okay, do you know a person in your family who often meaning frequently, like often, many times, he gets or she gets headaches often? Can you find student who had a broken arm when he or she was a child? Can you find a member in your family who had, when you're referring to had, is in the past, had a broken arm when he or she was a child? Find a student who has never been in a hospital. Well, can you find someone in your family that has never been in a hospital? Find a student who doesn't have any health problems. Find a person in your family, a member of your family, who doesn't have any health problems. Find a student who often has heartburn. Can you find someone in your family that often has heartburn? Is frequently. Often is the synonym for often is frequently, with frequency, a lot, many times, often. So before we answer those questions, let's go over the verb to have. Okay, so the verb to have expresses obviously possession, like I said. So let's go. When I want to say I possess something, you say I have. You have, he has. Notice how it changed. She has. It has. we have, they have. Do you notice how this verb to have and the verb to have, let's make it a little bit smaller so we can all see it. It's a little bit too big for all of us for intended purposes, so we're gonna do it already here, okay? So this is the verb to have. I have, you have, he has, she has, and it has. Well, these ones right here, he, she, and it has, the conjugation is a little different, okay? You say I have, but you don't say I has. Has is only used with he, she, or it, okay? He, she, or it. Have is used with I, you, we, and they. You cannot say he have. It's incorrect. She have. Incorrect. It have. Incorrect. It could only be it has, she has, or he has. Okay? Now, if I want to say, if you want to make it negative, you will say, I don't have. You don't have. Now, when it comes to he, you say he doesn't has. No, this changes to have. He doesn't have. She has or she doesn't. You change that to have. She doesn't have. It doesn't has. No, it doesn't have. Do you notice? Do you see how it changed? We don't have. They don't have. This is to express something negative, okay? So if we want to say I don't have, this is the way you use it. This is the way you will formulate it. You will write it. Now, if you want to express that you have something, I have, you have, he have? No, he has. She doesn't have will be the negative. That's correct. If you want to express that she has something, is she have? No, it's she has. It doesn't have. It will be the correct form for something that is not affirmative, negative. It has will be the correct form. We don't have, and we have. They don't have, or they have. So this is the form of the verb to have. Okay, so with this we're going to try to answer these questions, okay, together. So the question is, find a student or find a, let's see, find a student who has allergies, or find a person in your family that has allergies, okay? So what you want to do is say something like this. Let me do the first one, and then I will ask you to do it in your own, okay? A person in my family that has allergies. My son has allergies. And I use my son because my son follows on the category of he. So he has allergies. Okay? So what I'm going to ask you to do is to answer these questions in your own, and tomorrow we will go over one more time. I will talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully you can do the homework on your own. Okay? Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.